Hello student, today I am going to discuss you polynomial, zeros of polynomial. Clear? Today I am going to discuss you quadratic polynomial. What is the standard form of quadratic polynomial? I have written here. It is fx, it is a sign for the polynomial. It is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of the polynomial. Here a, b and c are arbitrary constant. And x is the variable, and the power of x is 2, here 1, here 0. So degree of this polynomial is 2. That means it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, there is a condition is there. What is the condition? If the coefficient of x square more than 0. What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is a. If a more than 0, then graph will be plotted like this. Okay, look first. If a greater than 0, that is called open up parabola. It is a sign of the parabola. It is a sign of the parabola. It is also parabola. It is also parabola. It is also parabola. It is called open up parabola. U shape. Okay. Now this open up parabola cut x-axis. This is the x-axis. Okay. This is the x-axis. That is the y-axis. This open up parabola cut x-axis at two distinct points. Distinct means different points. One point is alpha, another point is beta. Okay. So alpha and beta, these are zero of this polynomial. And if you solve this one for value of x, two answers will come. One answer is alpha, another answer is beta. The alpha and beta will satisfy this polynomial for its zero. Now, so here it is drawn, alpha and beta are two different roots. Two different roots, here two different zeros, same things. Sometimes it will happen, okay, this open up parabola touch x-axis at a single point, only one point, at a single point. In this place, if it touch x-axis at a single point, then alpha and beta will be same value. And x equal to, you can say, x equal to alpha also and beta also. They are same value. X has two value and both value will be equal. So that is called repeated. Okay. Now look here. Sometimes it will happen like this. Okay, it will not touch your x-axis. It will above your x-axis. Yeah, it will be below your x-axis like this also. So in that cases, this type of polynomial, if graph of that type, this type of polynomial is like that, it is not going to touch your x-axis. Yes, no, it will not. This one only. So it will not touch your x-axis. So in that case, it is non-factorizable. It is non-factorizable. That means alpha and beta cannot be found. And zeros of polynomial cannot be found. Now look one thing. Suppose I plotted one graph. I plotted one graph for distinct roots. One is alpha, another is beta. And here alpha and beta not equal. Okay? And this is the polynomial. Okay. This graph will cut your y-axis. This is your y-axis. Okay? And this is your x-axis. At this point. This point coordinate will be 0, c. Look how it has happened. If you put, we know that any point on the y-axis, x value will be 0. So if I put here x equal to 0, then f0 equal to a into 0 square. Yeah, you can select this. f0 equal to a into 0 square plus b into 0 plus c, that means c. Yani here it is the value of y. So this is called the intercept of parabola. Intercept of parabola means what? If you draw the parabola, it will cut your y-axis at this point and the coordinate of this point is 0, c. Clear? It is called intercept on y-axis. Clear? Now, this is the bottommost point. This is the bottommost point. This point is known as vertex. This point is known as vertex. Vertex of parabola. Vertex of parabola. And the coordinate of this parabola is minus b by 2a, comma minus b by 4a. Minus b by 2a, comma minus d by 4a. So look, here it is a, here it is b, here it is c. So we can use b and a from this value. And now d we have to find. Here d value equal to b square minus 4ac. It is called discriminant. Discriminant. Okay. When you study about the quadratic equation, what is a discriminant? I will discuss in that one. In short, you understand, discriminant is the nature of the roots. It defines the nature of the roots. Here d equal to b square minus 4ac. This is the formula. It is the intercept on the y-axis. It is the vertex of the parabola. I am going to go with the one question. Simple it is. Look. Suppose fx equal to x square minus 8x plus 12. Suppose this is the polynomial. I have drawn the graph for this. Suppose I have drawn the graph. But before plotting the graph, we have to factorize this one. X square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. X square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12 equal to 0. So x, if I take common, x minus 6 minus 2, x minus 6 equal to 0. So x minus 6 and x minus 2, it will be 0. Clear? So when we draw the graph, we know that x equal to 2 and x equal to 6, there are two answers. The value of x is 2 and 6. When you plot the graph will be like this. It is the value 2, it is the value 6. Clear? Now, what is the intercept? If I put 0 here, the 0, 0, it will be 12. The coordinate of this will be 0, 12. What is the value of this? Minus b by 2a. What is the minus b? Look, it is a equal to 1, b equal to minus 8, c equal to 12. We have to find the d. The d equal to, according to this formula, b square minus 4ac. If I put here d, the d equal to minus 8 square minus 4 into 1 into 12. So it will be 64 minus 12, 48 become 16. So d value is 16. Look again, check. B square minus 4 is b value minus 8 minus 8 square 64 minus 4 into 1 into 12. So 48, 64, it will be 16. So here it will be minus b upon 2a minus b upon 4a. We can say it is b value is minus 8. The upper will be 8. 2a, the 2, comma d minus d, so minus 16. Divided 4a to 4. The coordinate will be 4 comma minus 4. So this coordinate it will be 4 comma minus 4. Clear? Now it's over. I think you understand the nature of roots, 0 of the polynomial according to quadratic polynomial, and how could you find the 0 of the polynomial by graphical method. In next segment I will discuss cubicals. Thank you.